I'm a long, long way from home. It's a long, long road I'm on, and the angels hear me cry.
Layer on this, yeah.
Sing me a lullaby, a lullaby. There's a picture in my hand.
Okay.
Of a faded smiling man, and the angels see me cry. They sing me a lullaby. They sing me a
We're going to get a Christmas tree. We're going to take you with us. It's a beautiful day. Sunny day here in Pennsylvania, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, the woods are looking mighty fine. Very nice and quiet. We needed a quiet day, so we're going to go up and cut down that tree and bring you with us, huh, girlfriend? I'm excited. Welcome if you're new. We're doing another little random day in the PA woods. I know you all like to see kind of where I come from, and it's pretty remote, pretty rural, but you know, we always have a good time finding something to do. I grew up like this, and I feel like it's super important for our kids to know how to be bored, if that makes sense. So yeah, we love taking them to different places in PA. We have the wood stove going, and it's just cranking up heat. The smells are amazing, and having a good time with family today. So I always love enjoying it, but I like to show you the scenes every now and again. So I'm excited. Again, welcome if you're new, and let's get into our day. So pretty. So pretty. All those trees kind of came down back here too. From what I'm told, I don't exactly know what it's specifically from. I will type it in because I will ask the question after this, but I am stepping on some cold ground. That was that crunch that you heard. I love it. Snow was here for a little bit, but yeah. We are loving being back home, obviously, so a walk in the woods with all those ticks frozen and sent to HE double for the season has been really refreshing, because I will say that is a source of, I wouldn't call it anxiety, but really don't like those ticks. They're tricky, and hopefully they're too cold to bother us today.
I've been wasting all my days. Yes, I've been wasting them for years. And I do my best to block the thoughts and hope they disappear, but I keep on losing it. Oh, I keep on losing it. I think that I need to rearrange things. I'll be a man of God and faith. And I wash away my sins, I have my soul cast in the lake and burn my days away. Oh God, I've lost the only thought that keeps me sane.
Hey, what are you doing up there?
Oh,
You driving the tractor? Yeah.
hold on to that. Good. Hold my hand. Steps. A little jump. Perfect. Good job.
I can try whatever
job,
I want.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go.
At this point, we are home and cozy, and it definitely was a night that called for this stew. This originally is a rabbit and cabbage stew recipe that I adapted to make into a classic beef stew. So my recipe is coming from the PA State Range cookbook. I'm sure that's shocking to some of you that have been following me for a very long time, but you can serve this with extra mashed potatoes. You can serve it over rice, quinoa. You can just serve it as is, which is what we did, and it was delicious. I don't know about you or where you grew up, but rabbit was pretty classic, I feel like, when it came to old-time hunters. Not so much now, but maybe I'm wrong and I'm just not finding it. So we skipped the rabbit and we just did some grass-fed beef cubes that we have been getting from a local farm. It is antibiotic free and it's just been super, super tasty, and I absolutely love who owns it. They're just the sweetest family. So enjoy this little cook with me. I'm gonna let it play out. The girls are here with me, so you may hear some screaming, but I'm going to try my best to cut it out. The oil in. Oil. No touch, girls. Girls, back up. Millie. Oh. Millie. Why? What were you doing upstairs?
Show my jacket anyway.
It's in the car, the purple jacket. At this point, the kitchen is smelling amazing. I totally would have used beef stock if I had it, but I just had chicken, so I just used what I had and then covered the rest in water. Although I wanted this to be a stew, I know my family, especially my husband, and this works better if it's more like, I don't know, a gravy consistency, if that makes sense, and then you just put that over top of whatever you want, essentially. No one in the house likes garlic except for myself, but I sneak it into different dishes because it adds great benefit, but typically I'm crushing my own garlic. I just didn't have any, and I did find this in the refrigerator, so I'm trying to use up the food that's in this home. If you're new here, this is not our home. This is a very close family members who's graciously allowed us to stay here, and we have been instructed to use up some of the pantry. I definitely got a lot of my preparedness and pantry stocking skills from this human, and I'll never go a day without thanking them because I love being prepared and I love sharing it with all of you. So thank you for being here today. I can't wait to show you some new happenings coming up in our life, and I will share more about it eventually, but something is going to have to change when it comes to this channel, so it is nothing negative. I can't wait to share the good news, and I will catch you on the next one. Stay adventurous, stay creative, and I hope you're doing well wherever you are. Bye.